The Gwinnett County Sheriff and one of his top supervisors are the subjects of a federal criminal investigation into alleged wrongdoing inside the jail.
Yeah, the revelation comes out of a court hearing today where county attorneys tried to convince a judge to put a civil case on hold. Fox 5 I-Team reporter Randy Travis is here to explain what exactly this means. Randy?
Yes, Sine and Tom, inmates sued the county years ago, claiming deputies misused restraint chairs. That pending lawsuit attracted the attention of the FBI and a federal grand jury. Well, now the county's attorneys want the judge to stop the civil case because of that criminal case and the key people involved in both. It's a scene repeated hundreds of times. The Gwinnett County Jail's rapid response team bursts into a cell to take down an inmate, slamming them into a restraint chair, cuffing their hands and legs, leaving them to face a blank wall for as long as 4 hours.
It wasn't necessary. I was calm. I wasn't being disruptive to any of the guards and anything like that.
They're being used as a punishment, not as a deterrent for any type of behavior that needs to be deterred.
Attorneys John Sakala and Craig Jones represent a dozen inmates who also wound up in a restraint chair, many of them just hours after they'd been arrested. Their lawsuit against Gwinnett County has led to a federal investigation. The Fox 5 I-Team already reported a grand jury subpoena for years' worth of videos and records involving the rapid response team. Gwinnett County attorneys say they've been in contact with the U.S. Attorney's Office and that members of the rapid response team, Sheriff Butch Conway and Colonel Carl Sims, appear to be the subjects, not the targets, of the grand jury's activities. They asked Judge Steve Jones to halt the civil case until the criminal case is concluded.
The people in the civil case have been waiting for 5 years for their day in court, and their case is ready to go to trial.
The U.S. Attorney's Office has not commented on its criminal investigation into the Gwinnett County Jail, but the feds have not tried to stop the civil case. Judge Jones offered no indication that he would either. What do they say? Justice delayed is justice denied, asked the judge. They have rights too. Attorney Jones suggested in court the grand jury could also be looking at the death of Chris Howard. Last year, the Fox 5 I-Team reported how Howard was left suffering in a holding cell for at least a half hour, despite nurses insisting that he be taken to medical immediately. He went into cardiac arrest and later died. No one was disciplined in the case. Again, we have no details on exactly what the grand jury is examining other than rapid response team use of force incidents and internal affairs investigations of that unit from 2016 to the present.